Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to align text in Canva. So there are a lot of text options that you could do here onto Canva, and one of it is the alignment. So for us to be able to go ahead and try that one out, we need to add in a text first here onto our design. Now to add that, you should be able to see the text option here onto the left side of the screen. Click onto text, and then you could go ahead and choose a text style. So you could use a heading, a subheading, and a little bit of body text. We're going to choose heading in here, and then we'll add in different things. So we could try to type in hi guys, and then welcome in here. So this is just a sample text so that we could try out the alignment. So right after we have added that one in here, so as you can see, it was freely written in here. So if you see here onto the upper part corner of the screen, there are a lot of text options that you could do, such as changing the font, its size, its color, and many more. Now to go ahead and try to change the alignment, we have that one in here. So as you can see, it is currently on center. So if you click onto this one, so this one is actually going to the left. We could also go ahead and have this one onto the center, and then you could go ahead and have this one onto the right and then back again to center. And that is just basically it, how you change the alignment of text here in Canva. And if you think this has been helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.